Padmasambhava belongs to the Lotus Family of the West. According to the tantras, Padmasambhava is the emanation of Amitabha and Avalokiteshvara. It is also said in Karma Chakme Rinpoche's aspiration to be reborn in the pure realm of Sukhavati, that Padmasambhava originated from a beam of light that radiated outward from Amitabha's heart. Because he has gained control of samsara and nirvana, we should offer him our most devout prayers. Through invoking him, demonic forces and obstacles will be removed, and we will gain control of our body and mind. Padmasambhava displayed incredible power and benefited countless beings across India, Tibet, and China. His deeds are so great and so numerous that they are beyond recounting. This is especially true in Tibet, where without Guru Rinpoche's influence, the harmonious merging and flourishing of Sutrayana and Vajrayana Buddhism could not have succeeded to the extent that it did.